I'm Steffi from The Makers. I'm one of the S's and Sophie's the other one and she's filming.
Hello.
Let's talk about wreaths. They've been an amazing success for us because we've worked out a really good way of wrapping wool around a wire frame and prepping it so that you can actually needle felt onto it and do a different scene for different seasons. The one that you're looking at is called a spring wreath box, but it's actually, you get away with it being a summer one as well because they're lovely flowers, and here as well, and blue tits live also in the summer in this country, so definitely worth buying your wreath box now. And we've also got a winter version. The photo is actually on this pack here because the wreath base itself has been so successful and you could design your own. We also sell just the wreath base pack, and in it you get lots of wool, you get the wire frame in there, and the instructions of how to prep this so that you can turn it into your own wreath, whatever design and style you would like. And I'm just going to open this up because this is a good example of what might be in our kits. You get this lovely rainbow band because we love rainbows, and you can reuse this, and we encourage you to reuse it. All our packaging is we keep it with the environment in mind, if you can ever open it and get into it. These are telescopic boxes, and the reason why it's hard to open is because it's probably jam-packed full. You get your needle felting instructions in there. They're all in colour. They come with step-by-step instructions like this, and written word as well. You have your wool packed in Ziploc bags. Yes, they are in plastic. The reason why they're in plastic is because that's the best way to keep them clean and keep them nice and tidy, and because they're Ziploc bags, we encourage you to use them again. They're great for keeping your wool safe from you know what, we don't even like to say it. So the M word. The M word. There's your wire frame, which is obviously in the round shape for the wreath. And in all of our kits, you get a felting needle and a felting mat. Sorry, you get more than one felting needle. You get lots of felting needles depending on the project. Here you get 4. And we put the right size in there, so you get 2 coarse and 2 medium and a felting mat. There's not too much needle felting onto a mat that you need to do, so you only get a small mat. Then you get your little band to hang your wreath up. You even get a brooch pin in there, and the reason for that is because this little blue tit is actually only pinned onto there, so you could wear him as a brooch as well. You're using water-soluble paper to make these lovely flowers, so it's a great technique to learn if you've not learned it. And there are the main colours for the decoration of the wreath. So we've packed it in 2 packs. This is for the preparing the wire so that you can decorate it, and this is for all the decorations, the blues and the greens and the pinks for the flowers and the brown for the branch, and so on. So all of this fits into the box. It's one of our larger kits, so it's slightly more expensive than our smaller kits, but definitely well worth it. And as I say, if no, that doesn't go in there. This goes. You don't get the wreath in there. Yeah, sorry. If you want to think about Christmas and winter already, then go for the winter box and make your winter wreath, or just get the base pack and make whichever wreath you like.